Racing just is started with Britney's Gloria. Break quickly restart Marapangi. Rushing up yun yan sa diskarapatan na. In between horses is flag bearer para sa akin. Shoemaker comes next mapaghinala. The next online is Alta's Choice. Security Gold. Malambing comes next. Vinegar, while Major Credit is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Marapangi moving up now. Warriors, it is Karapatan to take the lead. We have Karapatan now takes command by about 2 lengths, and in second is Marapangi. Shoemaker is racing into Alta's Choice. Para sa akin comes next Flag Bearer, then comes Britney's Gloria. Mapaghinala comes next. Down on the inside is entry number 9, Major Credit. Malambing, Security Gold, while Vinegar now running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Karapatan by about 6 lengths. Shoemaker in second, and in third comes entry number 4, Marapangi as they swing for home. We have Karapatan, while the rider Jackie E.G. Reyes now starting to make his move. We have about 100 meters of the race. We have Karapatan this time by about 6 lengths over Shoemaker, and finally Karapatan, Shoemaker. Third, close finish between Major Credit and number 3, and this one is Britney's Glory.